Afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, Sid.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today, Sydney?
I'm fine.
Good to know that you are fine. Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Have you eaten your snack?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes. What's your snack for today?
Chicken.
Hmm?
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like chicken too.
You need to
And
buy.
oh, I'm sorry. Okay. I will buy later after our class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, Sydney, do you still remember teacher? Who is teacher?
Teacher Gakai.
Very good teacher, Jacob. Wow, very nice. Now, Sid, let's start our lesson, okay? Okay, po?
Appa.
Okay. Now, please listen to teacher and eyes on teacher. Sydney, yesterday, what was our lesson? Do you still remember?
Bell.
What was our lesson yesterday? Can you recall?
Maybe
Pin.
pink.
Hmm?
Pink. Pink.
Pin.
Pink.
Pin. The P-I-N. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, you know how to do it already?
Yes.
Okay. So we're in page 37. We're going to continue it, okay?
Yes.
Okay, dokie. Let's go, 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 go. Can you see it?
Oh, Shobe, what's that?
Eat.
Very good.
Wow, impressive. Very good. How about this? Uh, can you tell me what is this?
Kid.
Kid. Oh, how do you read the I and the D?
IND. Ano ba?
Kid.
Ha?
No, I and D.
Id.
Very good.
Yay, nice. Wonderful, Sydney. Okay, now let's move on to our another lesson. Here we are. Pam, 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 pam. Before that, let's do spell.
Yay!
Your favorite. Go, go, go. Get your whiteboard and marker.
Okay. Thanks. Very good spell.
Are you ready to spell?
Yes.
Okay, please spell the word bib. Bib. Bib.
Beef.
Bib. Bib, 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 bib.
Beef.
Bib.
Bib.
Is that I?
Very good. Tapos?
Yes, we're doing the letter I, the sound of the I.
Bib. Bib.
Is that P?
Bib.
Is that P?
Hindi ang
Bib.
B.
Bib.
E?
Oh, write it properly. Bib.
Beef.
Oh.
Is that P?
Oh, paano masusulat?
Mm, 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 mm,
Wala,
mm,
baliktad ka
mm,
na magsulat. Hindi ganyan.
Oh, no.
Ala, inulit pa. Ang kulit naman. Shobe, you write the
can do
proper
it.
thing here,
You
tapos you're
can do
making
it.
na naman. Oh,
You can do it. You can
bib.
do it. You
Yun.
can do it.
Yun talaga.
Oh, no. Oh, very good. Do you know how to write already the small b?
Small b. How do you write small b daw?
Right now.
Oh, middle. Go to the middle and then curve. Middle, baba. Baba.
There.
Middle. Yan dito. Curve. Very good. Good job.
Let me see po. Ay, wow. Okay, next. Are you ready?
Are you ready daw? Oh.
Oh, please
Yes.
erase.
I erased.
Okay, very good. Spell the word. Ready? Look
I
at
want
Mama.
small. Can I
Yes.
write small E?
Hmm?
This one.
I know the right small E.
Let me see. Oh, if you remember, let me see.
Oh.
Down here.
Uy, wow! Nice. That's a small E.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh,
I
now
can.
we're gonna write the small I, okay?
No, I yes.
Yes. Oh, let's do it. Are you ready?
Are you ready, Shabe?
Yes.
Please spell the word
And this speak
Spell the word down.
rib.
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 Rib, 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 rib,
That
rib,
one.
rib, rib,
Rib.
rib,
Small
rib,
R.
rib, 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 rib,
Rib.
rib,
Rib.
Rib. Rib. Rib. Eh.
Neck.
rib, rib,
Rib.
rib,
B.
rib.
Rib. Very good.
Wow. Very good, Sydney. Next, Sydney. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please spell the word kid. Kid.
Kid.
You know that. Kid.
Kid.
K.
Oh, how do you write K?
Id.
Forgot mo na naman.
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own.
Yeah.
Di ba dito, up?
K.
Oh, tapos middle, up. Very good, middle. Oh, punta doon, down. Very good. Oh, kid.
Let me
Kid.
see
Kid.
po. Id.
Oh, I.
Id.
Kid.
P.
Oh, right. Baliktad naman, Shobi. Baliktad.
Small B.
Oo. Oh,
Id.
very good.
Id. Yay! Good one. Last one.
I
Ready?
like small B.
Last one na.
Oh,
Ikaw magbasa
later.
ka.
Okay pa?
Yeah.
Please spell the word lid.
Lid.
Oh,
Lid.
Lid.
Lid. Lid.
Lid.
Lid.
Very good.
Id.
Ah,
Pam 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 param pam. Ooh, that's right. Very good, Sydney.
How
Wait.
about picture?
mamaya na.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right. Now we're gonna do this one. Do you
Ah.
know what is this?
Sabi,
What
what's that?
is this?
Oh, what's that?
Oh.
Hmm?
Or.
Hmm?
No, 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 no.
Oh,
Wag mo
you
ba-
have to circle. You cannot circle pala.
I
And
can.
write the answer. What's the answer for that? What is
Oh.
that? For example, Sid, I'm gonna give you an example. Okay po?
What's that?
Okay po daw. Okay.
Listen.
Okay.
This picture shows rib.
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 Oh, rib yun,
Yeah.
ha?
Apa.
This is a rib. You understand?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
rib yun.
Now your turn. You're gonna answer
What's that?
3 and 4. What's
Oh.
this?
Oy, what's that?
Turn.
Ano tawag mo doon sa picture na yun?
Kid.
Very good.
Okay,
Kid.
I'll spell the word. Please
Ang
spell the
galing.
word kid.
Oh, spell mo yung kid.
Kid.
Spell.
Spell.
K.
K.
L.
No, walang L. Tanggal nga yung L.
K.
K.
E.
No.
No.
Ano letter ang sounds is E?
I.
I. And then D. Very good.
Very
Girl.
nice. Or remove the L, put the K-I-D. Kid. Right?
Girl. Yeah.
Okay, next. What is this? Oh,
What's
that?
babies use this one to eat.
Sabi, what's that?
Raw.
Number 3.
Raw.
No.
Ba-
Nope,
You
nope,
choose
no.
lang. What do you look at the
Choose
picture?
3-letter words
No.
What do
only.
you call that picture?
Be.
Oh,
Be.
Hmm?
Baby.
hindi yan baby.
No,
Be.
that's bib. Bib.
Bib.
Bib.
Bib.
Oh,
Oh.
how do you spell bib? Sid,
How
how
do
do
you
you
spell bib?
spell?
R.
How do you spell bib?
Bib.
Oh, ano
Spell.
spelling bib?
B.
B?
E.
No, E. B?
B.
Oh, look at
Bib.
teacher. I cannot see you.
I.
I?
I.
Bib.
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 Ano doon?
B.
Bib.
E-I?
B. I. B.
Oh.
Opo. Very good. Oh,
Okay.
remove. Yes, Sid. Oh,
R.
remove the
Okay, no
R.
R.
Sid,
R.
remove the R. Put the I, B, and B. Oh, next. What's this? Oh, no, not that. This.
La. Lo. I. Li.
Tatanggalin mo nga yung isang letter.
Remove one letter.
Remove.
The
Oh,
L.
remove.
What will you remove in that?
What
Para
will you
ma-
remove? Do you want to remove the L and put KID? It will be kid. Or if you
Yeah.
remove the
Hindi
L,
naman kid. Ano yung
is
picture na
that
yun?
kid?
Bakit?
No.
What is the takip?
No, what's that?
Not.
Mm.
Live. Live.
Lid.
Lid.
Oh, spell the word lid.
How do you spell lead?
L.
L?
I.
L, I,
K.
Ah,
E.
spell the word.
L-I, lead. How do you spell lead? Upo ka.
Go. L, I, lid. Lid.
L. I.
Lid.
Oh, L-I.
L. I. Do.
Ano yun?
D.
D.
Very good. Oh, read these 3 words. Go.
Read mo na.
Pete.
Dito sa taas.
This one, the first one.
Pete.
Kid. Ano yung pangalawa?
Pete.
B. Very good. Ano yung pangatlo? The third one. This one.
La.
Lead.
Live.
Lead.
Live.
Read again. Sid.
Live.
Lead. Okay. Oh, next. Read this.
Oh, Shobe, you read that word.
The first one is
What's that?
Live.
lid. This one.
Kid.
Very good.
Next.
That's
Peep.
very good. Next one.
Rod. Rod.
No.
No.
Rod.
Just
This
look
is
at
a-
teacher, ha? Look at teacher. Oh,
Eat. Rib.
very good. You don't have to look, mommy. You can do it. Just read the letters, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next, let's go here. Aha. Oh, how about your homework? This will be your homework.
The eye.
Do you know how to do it? This one.
Yeah.
Really? You're
Sure.
gonna put the... I think we have a homework like this.
Yes.
I remember.
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, do you have a preparation for that?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Last Tuesday, I gave you that homework, the E-T, E-E-N, and E-D.
Yes.
Really? You have your preparation? Can I see?
No.
No, I don't have it.
Oh, you forgot.
I can get the paper.
Okay, that's okay. We can do it. You can do it later. Okay.
Hey.
Okie dokie. Next, let's go here. Story time, Sydney.
Oh.
Story time, Yuri.
I like story.
Oh,
what's
do
that?
you still remember the THE? What's the
The?
word? Oh, wow. Oh, how do you read this?
Kid.
Very good.
The kid.
That
Yes.
kid. Now,
Oh, look at the kid, Sydney. What is the kid doing?
The kid. What?
what's that?
What?
K, k,
Can
use.
use
Ay, ano sound ng I?
I.
e
Yun.
E.
Very good.
Very good. Next.
what's that ink?
Ink. This one is ink po.
Ink yan, no?
Why is there dirty the dirty the paper?
That's not dirty. Oh, that's he call it art.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next. Read po. He.
E
E.
pen
Very good.
And paano kaya to? How will you read this?
on
Open.
the
O.
Open.
open
Open.
Open.
What's this?
lip
You know, yung may isang letra, oh.
a
Ah.
Li.
lip
Id. I cannot hear you.
Go to the
Tip.
microphone.
Did. Very good. Next. Param. Number 3. Oh, look at the boy and the mommy. What is the boy doing? Oh, please read.
running and drinking.
Yes, that's right. Please read. He
He can
Very good.
can
is sip
Very good.
sip and
Ano to? Ano yun?
sip
Ha?
sip
Very good. O, sige
I
pa ba?
cannot hear you.
sip
Very good. Next. How do you read this?
this cat
Very good. Oh, how about this? Do you still remember?
You remember this?
is
Needs
needs
Needs.
a
Bib.
bib
Babe. Nice. These are the sight words. Sydney. Can, open, and need. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, we're already done with this, right?
yes
Oh, okay. Why is it page 37?
I
All
don't know
right. How about, are we done here?
yes
Yes, I know.
what again what is this
Oh,
page
how about this? Are we done?
Yes.
yes
Why is it page 38? Oh,
I
37.
didn't know
Me too. I don't know. Oh, yes. And we spelled the word 6, right?
yes
Okay. Let's do the short U. Oh, how about this one? Let's do the story about health.
Oh,
Okay?
yes
Okay. Let's do it. Be
okay.
careful reading. Help.
Very
Very good. My
friend
in
pin
I think
is
is
in a is
mm,
need
no.
I cannot hear you po.
is
Ano yung basa?
Read, N-E-T, read.
F.
Eh,
Mm,
Net.
Very good, Net.
Net. Oh, next. I
I can
r
rock
r
reap
Rip, very
Rip.
good.
it
Eat, very good.
with
is
this
this
What's that?
pin
Very good.
I cannot hear
Eat
you.
now.
pin
Eat, very good.
In. Oh, next. If you're reading, go to the mic. Oh. Next po.
Oh, yeah.
I
I can
Huh.
pick P
Eat,
eat
eat.
eat
Oh, you said, you see.
eat
Very good.
Okay,
Oh.
next.
eat.
Thank you.
See what you said. Babe, you look here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh,
How do you read it? N-
No.
Now.
Now I can win.
very good.
Okay.
Now I can
Nice.
win.
Yay. Now I can win. Now let's do the short.
Oh.
Short.
wow.
Oh, very
Oh,
good. What's
oh,
the sound
oh,
of O?
Oh.
Oh,
oh.
oh, very good. Now we're gonna do the spelling.
Yeah.
Spelling. You like the spelling.
Yes, I
Let's
like one
go.
for
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
my
Go, go,
bed.
go, 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 go.
Oh, I wrote small O.
La
Oh.
la 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 la
Here.
la.
You wait for teacher first.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay po. Please spell the word. Oh, not read. You're writing?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Remember, Sydney, the word is O, okay?
Okay. O.
Please
Yeah.
remember that.
Oh,
Okay? O. The O
O.
sound. Okay po?
Okay.
Okay po. Please spell the word fox.
fox. Fox.
Fox.
Oh,
Fox.
fox.
A.
Okay. Very good.
Fo-
Fox.
Ox.
Oh, fox.
Fox. La 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 la.
S.
No. Oh, fox.
O.
Fox.
Fox. Oh.
It's not S.
Hindi S. Fox.
Fox.
Hindi.
The difference of this letter is a little bit
Fox.
fox. Not
Hindi nga.
S po.
Hindi nga
The sound, Sid, look at teacher. Sid, the sound of Sydney. The sound of S is like this. The sound of fox is different. Looks fox.
So, babe, look at teacher first.
Okay.
Oh, the sound of S is like this. You hear it?
Yes.
Like a snake. This one is different. Oh, listen. Fox.
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 Here.
Hindi
What's
siya.
the sound? Oh, it's
Oh.
not
Yeah. X.
Fox, di ba?
Yes, I know.
Easy po.
Okay.
Okie dokie. Ooh, that's nice. Up next. Ready for more, Sydney?
I like more.
Remember, we'll do spelling letter O,
Oh.
the short O. Please.
Okay.
Po. Oh, are you ready now?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Please spell the word log.
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 Very Ano yung gitna mo?
G.
Log.
Ag. G.
Oh.
Log.
Ag.
Oh.
Ag. G.
Log.
Log.
Log. G. G.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Og.
Ag.
Paano sulat yan? Yun. Palit na lang palit.
La 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 la. Uy, that's small. It's cute. That's right, Sydney. Please sit properly, Sid. Next, please erase.
I'm erase.
Are you done?
Yes.
Please, oh, this is only 2 letters. Okay,
Okay.
2 letters. Please
Yeah.
spell the word ox.
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 Oh, wow.
Ox.
Ox. Ox. La 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 la. Ox. Ox.
Very good.
Let me see, Paul. Let me see. Wonderful, wonderful. Next, are you ready? Please erase it properly.
Erase.
Ready?
Yes.
Please spell the word. Oh, wait. Please spell the word pot.
Pot?
Pot.
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 Oh.
Pot.
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 Pot. Pot.
Pot.
Pot.
Mm-mm.
Caldero. Pot.
Pot. Pot.
Pot.
Pot. Pot. Oh, you're done?
Palitan ng palit sulat.
That's right. Very good, Sid. Next. Next. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Let's go, Sydney. Ready, Sid?
Buffer. Yes.
Please spell the word mop. Mop.
Well,
Mop.
Mop.
no.
Mop.
Op.
Up.
Op. Op.
Up.
Op.
Mop. Up.
Mop.
Mop. Mop.
Op.
Up.
That's 3.
Oh, tree.
Yes, po. Op. P.
Up.
P. Yay! Very good. How about this one? Please erase. La 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 la. Are you ready?
Very good.
Ready? Yes,
Like
you're
this
very
one.
ready for more, Sydney.
Ready? Oh, you're ready.
Please spell the word hot.
Hot.
Hot. Init. Hot.
Hot.
Hi, it's so hot.
Up.
Hot.
Up.
Ha ha ha. Oh oh oh.
Hot.
Hot.
Up.
Hot.
Up. Very good.
La la la
Hot.
la
Good
la
job.
la la
Hot.
la 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 la. Very good, Sydney. Very good. Last two. Go,
Last
go,
two.
go.
Yeah.
Go. Go, Sid. Ready?
Yes.
Please spell the word dot.
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 Hot.
Dot. Dot.
No.
The
Dot.
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 How do you write yun? Baliktad.
Okay.
Dot.
Yeah.
Dot. Small ba?
Yes.
Oh.
Dot.
Kabilang side.
dot.
That's B.
Okay.
Pabaliktad,
And
darling.
myself in
Dot.
times when trouble.
Yun, very
Duh.
good. Dot.
T, t, t,
Oh,
t,
you're
t,
right
t, t,
here.
t, t.
Dot.
Dot.
Dito, dito, dito.
Dot.
Dot. Oh,
Dot.
very good.
Let me see. Yay! Very good. Oh, last one, last one. Oh, you know this one.
Oh.
Ready
What?
po?
Ready?
Please spell the word mop.
Mop.
Mom. Oh, no, 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 no. We're already done with mop. Mom. Mom.
Mom.
Yes, mom as in mommy.
Mom,
Mom, mom, mom, mom.
Very
Mom.
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 Wow, galing ha.
Yes.
Mom, let me see. Very good, very good. That's right, that's right.
Good job.
Okay, wow. Amazing. Sydney.
Very good.
Yes,
Bye.
M-O. Yes. Okay, Sydney. Thank you so much for this afternoon. I hope you learned a lot from teacher. Now, teacher will see you on Monday. Bye, Sydney.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you, mommy. Bye, Sydney. Thank you.